Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ruth Chari and welcome to today's video. So I don't know what the vlogmas it is today because yesterday I did not upload a video because I was feeling so low. I was feeling so demotivated, and I'm not the type of person that will post things when my mental health is not okay. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, anyways, so today is Saturday, so happy Jamhuri Day, guys. But I know by the time we'll be watching this video it will be past Jamhuri Day, so it doesn't matter anyways. Yeah, so today we're gonna be spending the day with me. I've already made my breakfast, so I'm gonna show you what I'm having. Yeah, so that's what I'm having for breakfast, and then after I'm done having breakfast I will clean my fridge because I need to stock my fridge up because literally right now it's empty, not an mezima because it has nothing, and most of the times I don't cook, but right now I really want to start eating healthy, so I have to go grocery shopping. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys later. So what I'm gonna be using is water. Put my water in a basin, and then I'm also going to be using vinegar, so I'm going to start with the top part. This is the freezer. This is how it looks on the inside. It's not that dirty, but it needs to be white because it hasn't stored food for like a week now. Okay, so next I'm gonna be cleaning the bottom part. Like I said, it's not that dirty, but it needs to be cleaned because it hasn't stored food for like a week now. Yeah. So I also removed the cabinets because I need to clean them separately. Hey guys, so I've been cleaning my house since morning. I'm so tired, yo. Like I am exhausted. Yeah, so right now I want to go do shopping, like grocery shopping, and I'm applying my cream. You guys see that? So I just got home and I want to show you very quickly what I've bought. I have eggs, tray of eggs. Let me put that aside before zipasuke. Oil, watermelon, mangoes. I want to make mango juice. We have mixed lettuce, bread, spinach, orange juice, because when I'm making my juices I use orange juice as the base. Fenugreek, bell peppers, sausages, oranges, apples, and tomatoes. So I'm gonna clean this very quickly and then fix a sandwich to eat because I'm super hungry. Yeah. There's my watermelon there, and then follow it up with my mangoes, and then put my mixed lettuce there, and then follow it up with this bowl of bell peppers, oranges and apples, spinach. So this is already cleaned. Ooh, struggle, man. There we go. And then on this box I'm gonna put my tomatoes. And then on this side I'm gonna go in with my jug of orange juice. I love orange juice, guys. And then follow it up with my jug of milk, some more orange juice, and on this side I'm gonna put eggs. Yeah, so this is it. So the only thing that is left is to add my smoothies here on this top compartment. Yeah, so I'll be making my smoothies later and then I'll put them here, and of course I'll be showing you what I'll be making. so that's it for my smoothies. I have an orange smoothie, or rather orange juice, mango smoothie, and a watermelon smoothie. I'm making a sandwich, so I have bread and eggs, and then I'm gonna add my tomatoes like so, and then next I'll add my avocado. Okay guys, so this is it for my sandwich. It doesn't look that good, but I'm sure it's gonna taste good. Yeah, so and I'll be having my sandwich with oranges. So I want to watch one episode of Sisters, season 2.